2018 Toyota Rav4 with the 2.5 inline 4-cylinder. Today we're going to be doing spark plugs, air filter, and an engine decarb treatment. Let's get to it. Alright, and for our spark plugs, we're going to be using the NGK. And there's the part number right there. And our air filter will be using a standard CarQuest Romeo 8 3310. First up, I'm going to go ahead and remove this piece of plastic by lifting up on the back corners. Coming here with a 10mm socket. I'm going to remove the 10mm bolts holding our coil packs in. And you can see we have quite a bit of play for our wires, so I'm going to see if I can't get these up without having to remove. Yep, I can get these out without having to remove the coil pack. These pieces of plastic get really brittle as the vehicles age, and I prefer not to break anything. So I'm going to take advantage of that, and hopefully I'll be able to do that with all four. Maybe not be able to do it with this one. Alright, let's go ahead and disconnect those. They actually came off pretty good. So just press them in and pull them off. Got ourselves a 5/8 socket with a 9-inch extension. Always best to do this on a cold engine. These are aluminum engines. I'm pretty sure that this is an aluminum head at least. And if the engine is hot, everything's going to be swollen and you can end up damaging the threads. So you want to make sure your engine is cold before you replace your spark plugs. Oh, come on. Quick tip about the spark plugs. See how it has the picture of a spark plug on the box? That's how the spark plug is inside the box. So if you want to make it quick, you can always just reach in and grab it just like that, and then straight in it goes. And when you're putting them in, you want to guide them down. Especially if you're doing like a V8 engine, spending all that time fiddling with spark plugs and getting them out of their box, grabbing them from the wrong ends. Save you a little bit of time. Anyway, when you're putting them down into the spark plug valley or tube or whatever you want to refer to it as, go ahead and hold it with one finger as you're sliding it down the wall, so that way it doesn't fall. Because if it falls the right way, you can end up closing your gap. And this gap is set from the factory on these spark plugs at exactly the right distance they need to be. And if you close it even a little bit, you could end up having misfires or the fuel not getting burnt properly. Just a bunch of bull crap. So just take your time, guide it in as deep as you can get it before dropping it. ahead and put these down until you have a good amount of resistance. You don't need to go crazy on it. You don't need to put it down hard. Don't damage the threads in your head. Just put it down until you have that good resistance feeling. Right there. And we can go ahead and put our spark plug coil packs back in, making sure to remove the connectors out of the way so that they don't get crushed. All right. On to the filter, which is really easy. Undo those two clips, pull it out from the base, remove the old filter. Whee! And install your new filter. Slide it back in at the base. Give it a little hit to help it go down, and put the lock tabs in. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start our engine decarb treatment. Close that up the best we can. And if you want to see more information about this engine decarb treatment slash setup, go ahead and check out that video right there. I go into extreme detail on where to get these and how to use them. So check out that video if you want to learn more about this treatment. We've got our spout installed into our intake system after our sensor, so our sensor is not getting hit with our solution. Go ahead and start the vehicle till it idles. and begin the decarb process. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open up our canister. And this is a 2.5, so what I wanna do is I wanna open my canister slowly, and if I start feeling it start to shake or misfire or putt and poof, I wanna back off our solution because we're giving it too much and it can't take in that much fuel. So I feel it starting to shake. I'm gonna go back about a quarter turn. All right, it calmed itself down. I'm just gonna let this run until the entire thing is gone. I'll probably just let it idle here for about 20 minutes just to make sure everything is good to go. And I've got another bottle of our seafoam. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one in the gas tank. And with the process complete, I'm pretty much done. If you'd like to see more videos on Toyota Rav4s, go ahead and check out that video next. I made that one just for you. Other than that, this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you all next time.